Hello, today's little video is a bit unusual, is that I've drawn 5 Valentine cards in a humorous way, very quick drawings, and what I thought you could do is download this particular video from YouTube, stick it on your computer, take out the card that you fancy, which is quite easy because I've left a 4 to 5 second gap in between each drawing. So it's easy to just pick the cards you want, stick it on your mobile and send it to your girlfriend. Or if you're married, send it to your wife. As a surprise really, because you'll be at work and you phone your wife with the card. Bingo. I'm sure she'd appreciate it. But anyway, it's a bit of fun really. I'll be interested to see if it works. So once again, thanks for watching.